I will talk about the pooping, farting, and diarrhea sound effect from Hoshi. It's from a video called / the Alexa and poop / dash a fart number / That video was uploaded 12 days ago on December 3rd, 2024. The sound duration from this video is 0:29 to 1:16. The total seconds are 47. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Time to preview this sound effect. Wow, that was the longest sound effect ever. By the way, that's how the pooping, farting, and diarrhea sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I have painful diarrhea or passing gas. Ugh, my tummy. Ouch. Better rush to the bathroom, and fast. Ugh. Ouch. This is gonna be painful. Ugh. What relief. Remember kids, just use this pooping, farting, and diarrhea sound effect when you need to go to the bathroom. It starts at 0:29 and ends at 1:16. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.